Yeah. Good morning to all my fellow Niger Deltas in this great world. Niger Delta is a region filled with so many resources. We are endowed with so many resources that we can build a nation of our own. But first of all, what really happened that we cannot really build our nation? We have so much resources, such as the seafood, such as the Isang shells, which are good of our various resources. We have the mangrove, well, we have the oil, we have the river, and we have a fertile soil. But what is our problem? I think one of our greatest challenge that we are having in this region is the religion aspect, because now we've been deceived for a very long time that everything that is on planet Earth belongs to the world. That we should be focusing on God, and where we don't know who is God and we don't know how He looks like. If I want to see my Father, I know where He is. I know how much it takes me to that spot. But they have been telling us, God, God, God. Where is this God? We don't know how much is the transport fare, which that is the number one deceit to the people of this region. They told us that our deities are very, very fetish. First of all, what do we understand by fetish? It's just a common language that anybody can just bring up and destroy someone's attitude. It's just a marketing strategy. Let's come back to our own region and our former practice. Let's know that with all this, we can develop a better nation in building technologies. The planes that we are being built that flies across the sky is out of technology. The cars we drive is out of technology. The phones we are using is out of technology. Then what did God produce? Nothing. And yet these people came down to deceive us that we should focus on God. We, the people of the Niger Delta, should now come together that there is no God, no Satan, no hell, no heaven. That all what we want is a reality and development that will bring this country into oneness. Technology is the utmost priority, and I say let's build a nation with technology. Remain blessed. I say remain. Comment Egole. Peace.